Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning AI for note-taking and meeting summaries. Tools: Fireflies, Otter.ai, Fathom, Krisp, TL.DV. Goal: learn how to use AI-powered tools to automatically take notes, summarize meetings, and improve clarity during virtual calls. Section 1: Why AI note-taking is a game changer. As a virtual assistant or client support specialist, accurate and clear documentation is crucial. Manually taking notes during a call can result in missed points or poor engagement. AI helps you focus on the conversation instead of typing. Create fast, shareable summaries. Maintain records for accountability and follow-up. Increase productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Section 2: Core functions of AI meeting tools. Most tools have similar base features. Automatic transcription converts speech to text in real time or post-meeting. Speaker identification labels who is speaking. Searchable transcripts quickly locate keywords or topics. AI summaries provides key points, decisions, and action items. Integrations: Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and CRMs. Noise cancellation: Krisp only improves clarity during meetings. Section 3: Tool-by-tool breakdown. Fireflies.ai. Best for sales teams, coaching sessions, internal team meetings. Features: Chrome extension or Zoom integration. Real-time transcription plus searchable history. AI-generated meeting summaries. Action item tracking and analytics. Shared note links for team/client access. Integrates with CRM tools like HubSpot, Salesforce. Use case: you're on a client strategy call. Fireflies joins, takes notes, auto-emails a summary. Otter.ai. Best for general use, teams, interviews, content creators. Features: real-time collaborative note-taking. Highlights and comments inside transcript. Otter Assistant auto-join Zoom, Google Meet. Summary keywords and smart notes. Speaker voice recognition. Works well with mobile and desktop. Use case: during a brainstorming session, Otter captures everything and creates a structured summary with action items. Fathom.video. Best for coaches, consultants, client account managers. Features: instantly records and transcribes Zoom calls. Segment recording into highlights for important moments. Automatically sends follow-up summary emails. Categorizes into what was said, next steps, and action items. Use case: you coach a client on strategy. Fathom gives you a clip of key moments and an email-ready summary. Krisp.ai. Best for clearer audio and professionalism during client calls. Features: noise cancellation, your mic and speaker. Echo reduction. Real-time voice transcription, Pro version. Works with all conferencing apps, Zoom, Teams, Slack. Use case: you're in a noisy environment. Krisp ensures your voice remains clear, and you can also get AI transcription support. TL.DV, too long, didn't view. Best for remote teams, product teams, client updates. Features: AI transcribes Zoom, Meet, and MS Teams. Bookmark important moments during the meeting. Auto-summarizes full meetings into digestible highlights. Supports multiple languages. Export video snippets for internal documentation. Use case: you manage a project call, bookmark milestones in real time, and share summary plus video highlights afterward. Section 4: Sample use workflow. Before meeting, choose the right tool for the call type. Set it to auto-join or click record with AI. Brief the client/team that AI transcription will be used. During meeting, focus on the conversation. Use tool highlights/bookmarks for key decisions. Avoid multitasking. After meeting, review AI-generated summary. Edit and polish if needed. Send a clean copy to the client/team. Save to knowledge base, e.g., Notion or Google Drive. Section 5. Templates for meeting follow-ups. Use this basic meeting summary format. Subject, client name, weekly check-in summary, date. Summary. Meeting duration, 45 minutes. Participants, Jane, David, you. Key topics, Topic A, Topic B, Topic C. Decisions made. Launch date set to September 1st. Budget increased by 10%. Action items. You, prepare updated proposal by Friday. Client, share assets by Wednesday. Link to full transcript, tool-generated link. Section 6, choosing the right tool. Tool. Use if you need. Fireflies. CRM integration plus structured notes. Otter. Real-time notes plus team collaboration. Fathom. Easy video highlights plus auto email follow-ups. Krisp. Cleaner audio for professionalism. TLDV. Bookmarking plus international friendly support. Section 7, Class Activity. Choose one AI tool, Fireflies, Otter, Fathom, etc. Attend or simulate a 15-minute meeting, solo or with someone. Let the tool run, explore the transcript and summary. Clean up and share your own version of the meeting follow-up using the template provided. Optional. Record a 2-minute video walking us through your setup and tool experience. Section 8. By the end of this class, you can confidently use AI to capture and summarize meetings. Improve the quality of your documentation without losing focus during live sessions. Deliver more value to clients through accurate notes and organized follow-ups. Select and recommend AI tools for note-taking based on client type or industry. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.